In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create categories in QuickBooks Online. If you want to keep your products and services organized and make it easier to manage similar items, creating categories is a simple and useful step. Categories help group related products or services together, which can make your records cleaner and easier to navigate as your business grows. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and go to your dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is your settings menu and it gives you access to a variety of tools and list options inside your account. From the menu that appears, find the Lists section and select Products and Services. This will open the area where you manage the items you sell, track, or use in your business. If you already have products and services set up, you'll see them listed here. If not, that's perfectly fine. You can still create categories ahead of time to stay organized. Next, look for the More drop-down arrow located near the New button. Click that drop-down and then choose Manage Categories. This opens the category management screen where you can view existing categories and create new ones. Now click New Category. A field will appear where you can enter the name of your new category. Type in the category name you want to use. It's a good idea to choose a clear, simple name that matches the kind of items you plan to group together. That way it'll be easier to recognize later when you're assigning products or services to that category. Once you've entered the category name, click Save. QuickBooks Online will then create the category and add it to your list. After that, you can use it to organize your products and services more efficiently. And that's it. Creating categories in QuickBooks Online only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account structured and easy to manage. If you plan to add more items over time, setting up categories early can save you effort later and help you maintain a more organized workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.